Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to add your EasyLink card to Apple Wallet. First, open the Wallet app on your iPhone. Tap the plus icon in the top right corner. Next, you'll see options for debit or credit card and transit card. Tap transit card and search for EasyLink. If you don't see it, go back and select debit or credit card. Then search for EasyLink again. Still not showing, scroll down and tap Add a different card. Tap Continue, then scan your EasyLink card with your camera or enter the card details manually, like the card number and name. Tap Next and follow the on-screen steps to finish. And that's it! Your EasyLink card is now added to Apple Wallet. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.